Today, I will be showing you a few steps on how to fix Steam error from Validate Password 2. But first, like this video and subscribe to my page. To fix the Steam error from Validate Password 2, you can try the following steps. Number 1. Restart the Steam app. Sometimes, issues can be resolved with a simple restart. Close the Steam app completely and then reopen it to see if the error persists. Number 2. Verify login information. Double check that you are entering the correct password and PIN. Ensure there are no typos and that caps lock is not accidentally on. Number 3. Try another login method. If you're using a Steam Guard mobile authenticator, try using another login method such as Steam Guard email code or SMS code to see if the error persists. Number 4. Update the Steam app. Ensure your Steam app is up to date. Outdated versions may have compatibility issues. Check for updates in your app store or download the latest version from the Steam website. Number 5. Check Steam status. Sometimes, Steam servers might be experiencing issues. Check the Steam status website, steamstate.us/, to see if there are any ongoing problems. If there are server issues, you may need to wait till they are resolved. Number 6. Disable family sharing. If you have family sharing enabled, consider temporarily disabling it and see if the error goes away. If it does, you can re-enable it after the issue is resolved. Number 7. Contact Steam support. Well, if none of the above solutions work, it is best to contact Steam support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance based on your account and device setup. Remember to be cautious with your login. This video was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe to my page for more tips.